morning, folks. Well, you are looking once again at the fountain that is in front of the World Trade Center. Now, if you look at it very carefully, when the water falls into the pond, you find that the water is churning. Now, taking this into account is why they tell you when you're pumping fuel into the vehicle, you got to switch the engine off. You know why? Because if you have an engine that's running and they're pumping the fuel into your tank, and the fuel in the tank is all churned up, the sediment that have settled on the bottom of the tank is going to be drawn into your engine. And needless to say, you're going to be having engine trouble. So with that little friendly thought in mind, let's get things off on a Monday's edition of the Gold Request Show.